So what's up guys, this is Philip from Music, and we finally get our hands on the MSI Gaming X GTX 1650, and we just got this for second hand and looks great. And it's not from mining, it's from a personal use. The previous owner used it only for Dota. So let's unbox this GeForce GTX 1650 by MSI. Let's do this. Let's open this anti-static plastic. And here's the unit itself. It's a Gaming X 1650 from MSI with two twin browser fan. By the way, this is the DDR6 version of this video card, and there's also a DDR5 version. So here's the front, and this is the back of the video card. So it doesn't have a backplate, but it's okay. I just got it for a reasonable price. And the box is still intact, so it is a good steel. And inside is the MSI envelope. And inside is a thank you card from MSI, and of course, there's a mini comics from MSI also. It's also nice to read this when you have time, but actually all the papers will go in the box. And here's the instruction, quick user guide from MSI. Actually, no one reads this one, so we'll just leave it here in the box. So this is just the quick unboxing of the MSI video card, the 1650 Gaming X. I think that's about it. So this is Philip from Music, and you can like our YouTube channel, and you can subscribe for more unboxing videos. Thank you so much, guys.